Hello everyone, this is Roja and I'm working as a training coordinator at Global Online Trainings. Today we are going to discuss about the SAP MM training and how these global online trainings deal with this course and what are the queries you have. Before going in detail about the SAP MM training, let us have a look about global online trainings. Global online trainings. To give an overview about global online trainings is a leading training services corporation specializing in providing online trainings and the corporate trainings to the individuals and the enterprises too. Our high quality, competitive and effective training services makes us the best in this field. Our professional team carries excellent instructional experience through many years and understands the complexity of the technology and methods of training delivery. We are providing the trainings with best subject matter experts who had a good experience in their primary schools and currently we have more tutors in all the technologies for the online trainings and the corporate trainings also. We provide the techniques for the technologies like SAP, Oracle, SAS, IBM tools, Microsoft applications, web technologies, middleware tools and the other technologies too. Now let us move to the introduction about the SAP MM training. SMM training encompasses the purchasing goods, receiving, consumption-based planning, material storage, and this module is integrated with other SAP modules like finance, sales and distribution, controlling and warehouse management, etc. And SAP MM training by Global Online Trainings is done on virtual interactive platform and on flexi-hour arrangement so that on-job professionals can attain this course while doing the regular services also. CPMM training is rendered by the best subject matters and the tutorials prepared by these expert industry allied tutorials are made with the latest industry updates and classes are available for the individuals as well as the corporate batches too on the demand. Here this is the course content for the SAP MM training. Topic 1 is Introduction to the SAP. Introduction to the SAP MM, organization structures, master data and purchase info record, document types and creation of PO, release procedure for the PR, release procedure for the PO, and alternative to the RF, the innovative management, and the goods receipt scenarios, return delivery to the vendor, reservation creation, transfer postings, and the reintegration of the MM with SD, integration concepts, consumption-based planning, and the reimplementation, rollout, and production support as early as possible roadmap also. Here, this is the course content while we are covering in our training process. This is a MM training overview. MM training covers the functionality required to purchase goods and services, manage inventory, and inspect incoming materials. The purchasing function includes the creation of requisites and the requisition approval, purchase order generation, and the receipt of goods and services. In this MM training model, which is a part of the logistics area and it is often integrated into the products and the manufacturing facilities that utilize in the SAP. This MM training is rendered by the best subject matters. The tutorials prepared by these expert industry allied tutorials are made with the latest industry updates. Here, these are the features of the SAP MM. Description of the physical inventory documents, invoice verification and the capacity check for the goods exist and the BI content purchasing data, data source purchasing data. Here these are the prerequisites for the SAP MM. As per the prerequisites, if you are a graduate and have at least one lifetime cycle implementation experience as an SAP MM training consultant and your employer can provide the proof of that experience that you can go to the certification directly without coaching. In case you don't need to kind of an experience but have support experience only, then in that case the call has to be taken by the SAP education in your country. SAP MM training is one of the module of SAP that deals with the material management and inventory management also. It deals with the managing the materials resources of an organization with the aim of accelerating the productivity, reducing the costs and increase the improvement at the similar time to be versatile to accommodate the changes in your day-to-day life. This is an overview of the SAP MM. SAP MM training is one of the largest and important module in SAP. It consists of all the master informations, procurement method, stack management, valuation of material and account determinations, bill verifications, material requirement planning, process of configuration and transactions to complete the procedure by the pay method. This this procedure will be entire procedure will be managed by the MRP generated procurement proposals through final bill receipt and verifications. And broadly, the various levels that can be defined for the SAP implementations are client, company code, plant, storage location, and purchase organizations. It can be divided into the five major components. Those are the material management, plant maintenance, quality management, production planning and control, and a product management system. Each is divided into number of subcomponents. These are the objectives for the SAP The main aim of the SAP is to provide the students with a complete knowledge of warehouse and stock management, procurement, supply chain method implementation using SAP ERP. The project management and some background of the SAP transportations method is also part of this module. Before ending up the sessions, let us have a look on SAP web page. Here this is a SAP web page. Here you can find the course content and SAP overview and the prerequisites of the SAP And, and in the menu bar you can find a option called request a demo. You click on the demo and directly reach us with your details uh, and send to us as early as we receive your mail and get back to you and help you out in attending the demo session also, or else you can directly reach us at www.globalonlinetrainings.com SAPMM training, or else email us at info@globalonlinetrainings.com, or else you can directly call us at 914060501418, and the USA number also, UK number also we are provided. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us. Have a good day. Bye bye.